Hello everybody, my name is Jacob Sapochnik and I am an immigration attorney based in San Diego, California. I've been doing immigration for almost 14 years. Immigration law is one of the most complex areas of law out there. It's constantly changing and there's a lot of confusion, a lot of misunderstanding about immigration law, different concepts. And as the climate of this area of law getting more and more complicated, the more people are looking at YouTube to get answers. So every week I take time to create YouTube videos to educate my audience about current topics in immigration law, things that are impacting people that are moving to the US, building a business here, trying to reunite with their families, whether it's family immigration, whether it's business immigration, whether it's criminal immigration. We have a video for almost every topic. We also do live videos on our Facebook page, and we're going to start doing more live videos on this channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe. Knowledge is power, and I want to give that power to you because you come here, you support us, and you follow us, and you give us the inspiration to keep making those videos every week. So thank you very much, and we'll see you in our next video.